Structure. The structure for PrEP is PREP. The first P is point. Isu utama. Jadi isi utama. The main point. Jawab soalan secara terus dalam satu ayat pertama, jangan melirik. Okay. But of course, it can be long, but don't make it elongated. Maksudnya terlalu melirik. Right? Now, the next one is R. Reason. What is the reason? Apakah sebab yang kukuh, yang rasional ataupun logik? Kenapa kita sebut point tersebut? Why are we talking about it? Why is this thing important? Why are you talking about it? We need to know that. And then E is example. Contoh ataupun bukti. Sokong alasan kita berikan menggunakan fakta, statistik ataupun real life situation. Okay, another one. The last P is the point, which is the conclusion. Ulang kembali poin asal untuk menutup hujah dengan kemas dan berwibawa. Okay? So an example, if someone asks you, okay, in an interview, why should we hire you? Why should we hire you? First adalah point. Kita nak jawab, why should we hire you? Dia akan terus jawab, I believe that I should be hired because I am good with managing my time. Okay? To P, point. I am good with managing my time. Itu point utama. Kemudian reason. Why do you say that you're good with managing your time? Okay? Why are you saying that this is a good thing? That they should hire you based on this point. They should hire you because you are good at managing your time. Why? You give that reason. Okay. For example, in this company, I noticed based on our discussion just now, time management is a key factor that ensure all staff are able to contribute and the amount of sales explode exponentially. Example, sebab yang kukuh, kenapa? Sebab saya kata apa? Saya kata dekat company ini menitik beratkan time management sebab based on discussion saya dengan interviewer tu tadi, time management adalah benda yang memang company ni cari yang menyebabkan sales dia naik. Itulah reason. Kemudian example, kita berikan sokongan sama ada pengalaman sendiri which is easier, fakta ataupun statistik. So saya akan sebut, for example, at my previous company where I use my time management skills to help my friends, colleagues and fellow staff to increase productivity by 10%. Compared between 2 quarters and increase the company's revenue from year to year. Okay? Saya berikan real life situation, experience saya sendiri, dan saya sebut productivity from quarter to quarter and increase the revenue and whatnot. Okay? It depends on the situation and the question given to you. Alright? And then the point, yang terakhir adalah kita tutup balik. This is why I believe I should be hired because time management skills that I have is very important not just to me but to this company. Kita ulas balik sahaja. Alright? Itu adalah struktur PrEP. P-R-E-P. Kita berikan point. What is the main thing kita nak jawab soalan itu? Kemudian R adalah reason. Sebab apa kita kata benda ni adalah penting. Kemudian E adalah example, apakah contoh ataupun bukti yang benda adalah penting dan bagus. Dan P yang terakhir adalah penutup ataupun point untuk closure. Kita ulang balik, kita kemaskan balik.